Hey guys, today we're going to do a product review of Revol Snax. I'm excited about this. This was a company that had a Kickstarter, and I was so blessed to be a part of that. And I just gave to the Kickstarter because we should all support small businesses, especially those businesses that are trying to serve the community with something healthy, keto friendly, you know, whether it's gluten free or just to help people on their way on their health journey. So with Revol Snax, they sent this box in, and they were gracious enough to have a shirt in the box, so that's what came in the box. And they still have their Kickstarter going, by the way. And so the flavors that I chose were, you get to go ahead and pick what flavors that you want sent to you. So I chose the Snickerdoodle Bites with hazelnut filling. A good shot. See that one? Hopefully you can snapshot that, guys. This one is Matcha Latte Bites with vanilla cream filling. Check that out. And I got dark chocolate with almond butter filled with crunchy almonds. Here's another one. That's the other one, okay? And let me give you a little bit of a backstory. Let me read their little card that they put in here. And by the way, we already eaten through. Like, I had gotten at least 4 sets of the 3, so we kind of chowed through these already because they're so good, guys. Anyway, so it says, welcome to the Revol family with Revol Snax, and that's R-E-V-O-L, Snacks with an X. It says, hola Rosemarie, welcome to the Revol fam. Please use the following code for 15% off your first order on our website. I'm going to use that, guys. I'm not sharing that. So anyway, thank you for your support by making Revol Snax a reality. This is the beginning of a revolution in snacks, and that's awesome. And the co-founder is Maiden, and let me see, they don't have, it's in cursive. You have to look that up, guys. Co-founder, but anyway, it says fridge recommended, so you gotta refrigerate these. We use premium fats like coconut oil. The decadent bites with will keep them cool and set. People enjoy these both ways, whether they're cold or hot, or cold or room temperature. Okay, got that, guys? All right, guys, so I'm gonna give you the deets. I'm gonna go through and taste each one and let you know what it tastes like and give you the macros on these. So first we'll try the dark chocolate ones, dark chocolate with almond butter, which is actually one of my favorites. And in these we have, it says, we're on a mission to make delicious snacks that serve you and your lifestyle by removing the junk found in traditional snack foods and replacing it with healthy fats like MCT oil, clean ingredients, and natural no sugar sweeteners. We've created something both your taste buds and your body will love. We like to think of this as a revolution in the snacks. So hashtag Revol Snax, they say. Our decadent bites have less than 1 net carb each and are full of clean, long-lasting energy and prebiotic fiber. We keep the macros ideal for cutting out the sugar and carbs, and you just enjoy. And that's David and Nadine. That's who it was, the owner. Sorry, guys. All right, so in this one, for the dark chocolate, they have organic coconut, almond flour, almond butter, non-GMO erythritol, chicory root fiber, organic cacao powder, organic coconut oil, almonds, water, coconut flour, vanilla, sea salt, stevia, and monk fruit extract, which is great. All clean ingredients, guys. Sounds amazing. So you get 2 bites as a serving, and there are 4 servings in this packet. All right, and all you need is 2 bites. It's pretty filling. Okay, so the calories for this dark chocolate one: 125 calories, 11 grams of fat, which 3.5 are monosaturated. And we have sodium in there, 40 milligrams of sodium. The carbs, guys, are 9.5 grams, but you have dietary fiber, which is 5.5, erythritol, which is 3. So that, like she said, it would be about 1 carb. Perfect. So this is a perfect snack, guys. Let's try it. So this flavor, and all of them pretty much have the same thing. Let's see if I can open it. I know I can open it. All of them pretty much have the same macros, has the same ingredients, except for like the Macho one would have some matcha powder in it, of course, and macadamia nuts, it says. And then the only difference in the cinnamon one, or the Snickerdoodle one, has the cinnamon in it, of course, and the same ingredients as this one. So that way I don't have to read you all the ingredients again, guys. So let's open it. Maybe I need a knife or something, or scissors. So let's see this one. And I'll give you my honest opinion because, yeah. So this one is a dark chocolate almond butter filled. Look at that. It looks really good. Okay. Yeah. It's like a darker almond butter. It's really good, guys. So it's really crunchy. You got that chew from the coconut. You taste the almond butter, it's really good, guys. And you can see it's a little bit of oil in it from the MCT oil. It's definitely good. It has nice texture, guys. It's like almost like eating maybe a macaroon, you know, coconut macaroon, except for like a cocoa powder one. This one's really good. It's one of my favorite ones. I'm gonna set it on top of there. So I'll put it back in there in the container. And then I'm gonna try the Matcha Latte Bites. This one has the cream, vanilla cream filling. If you like matcha, I think you'll be a fan of this one. Let's see. And comment below, guys, if you've had these before, the Revol Snax. Let me know. Let me know your opinion and how you like them. So this is the green matcha one. It's actually, you see it's matcha in it. It smells good too. It smells cream. It smells not really too grassy, but like creamy. That's good. Pretty tasty. Actually, I might like this one better. Really good. It's like you can taste that vanilla coming through. It's not like a harsh you know, sometimes matcha tastes really grassy and harsh. Not at all. It's a good balance. Great job, guys. Revol Snax. This is really good. Let me take one more bite. I like that one. Really good. Okay. Let's try Snickerdoodle Bites. Hazelnut filling. Are you a hazelnut lover out there? I'm excited about this one too. Let's see. And this one has the macadamia nuts. And this one says 100% plant-based for this one. Alright. This is what the hazelnut one looks like. And I like that they all have a different color so you know they're using actual hazelnuts or chocolate, etc. Okay, this one's a little more crumbly. Tastes like more cookie. Oh, okay, it's Snickerdoodle. Hello. That's really good. Yeah. You can see the center of that. That cream filling. I don't know. This one might be my favorite. Oh my gosh, Revol Snax. My dog back from barking in the background, but that's okay. She'll be okay. I like this one too. Okay. So they're all delicious, hands down. I'm so glad I got them. Of course, like I said earlier, I've eaten through a lot of them already, so it's like a new experience every time I taste one. It's so good, guys. So that's the company Revol Snax. I like it a lot. They're keto friendly. They're clean ingredients and MCT oil in there. And so far, usually with the MCT oil, I like get a tummy ache. And you know, when I make like a bulletproof coffee, that's why I don't drink it anymore as much. But this has not bothered me at all. So they have perfect balance, I think. Definitely have a perfect balance. So guys, definitely give Revol Snax a try. I'm not sure if they still have a Kickstarter because I know they're trying to grow even bigger, but definitely support good keto product companies. They're legit, they're delicious, and I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, it's so tasty, especially if you're a coconut lover as well. So definitely get you some of these. I think you go on their website or you go on their Kickstarter, revelsnax.com, or just check out their Kickstarter, okay guys? Check out David and Nadine. Thanks guys. And these I purchased myself by helping them with the Kickstarter as well, like many people have, because they know how good their product is. So these weren't sent to me for free or anything like that. So it's my honest opinion and this review. So yeah, I say try it. When you try them, let me know, guys. All right, so thanks guys for hanging out with me with the review, and I'll see you next time on Faith for Keto Kitchen. Bye, peace out.